gentlemen, very much for the Weissman update. If you will, again, I'm James Shelton here. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns throughout the duration of this update or throughout the duration of the trading day, you're interested in receiving the AM and PM spreadsheet, a 2-week file of that we just at Weissman. Please take this email at Weissman.com. Please, our website, Weissman. Once again, I'm James Shelton. I'm the head of global sales and marketing. Don't hesitate to shoot me an email. Once again, JamesWeissmanSignals.com. Let's get started here. Disclaimer, of course, we are not responsible for any business actions, market transactions, or decisions made by the readers, in this case, listeners. Once again, we are educationally, our intentions are for educational purposes only, ladies and gentlemen. Let's move on to the first trade here. It is the August 20 unleaded crack spread. I want to point out these charts are courtesy of CQG, ladies and gentlemen. Charts are courtesy of CQG. Once again, we're looking here at the August 2010 unleaded spread. We had an old stop limit of this horizontal resistance right here at 1194. We are moving that to 1163, ladies and gentlemen. Our new buy level is 1163. You can see we now have declining resistance, a bit of a lower high occurring here. We're watching for this 1163 here, ladies and gentlemen. Across above that, we'll still have our stop at 1062. We have, for the sell side, we're going to watch for a sell at 1023. That's that ascending support. We're using stop limit for that also, and we still leave our stop at 1125 if we are triggered on this sell at 1023. So that's the trade for the August 2010 unleaded crack spread. Let's move on here to the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, which in fact had a trigger. We had a trade triggered here on the 8th of July. When today is currently, ladies and gentlemen, the 8th of July. We had a trigger on the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. We talked about this a bit yesterday. We broke 123.71 and we bought this horizontal breakout around 120.71. That was what we spoke of yesterday. We traded higher, of course. We're looking to sell 50% of our position here at old resistance at 124.20. Once again, we're looking to liquidate half of our position here at 124.20. If that's the case, you move the remainder of your position to one tick above your entry level, ladies and gentlemen. So you have one tick of profit. You take 50% here at 124.20. Our stop remains at the low of this bar, as you can see indicated here. Our stop will remain at 122.67 here, ladies and gentlemen. That's the story. You can see, once again, we have downtrend in volatility here, and we have broken this horizontal resistance at 123.71, looking to take 50% off the table at 124.20. Let's move on. We have a new trade. Those both were trend following. We're taking here now at a mean reversion, a counter. This is a extremely high reward for very low risk, very huge reward versus risk ratio. That's the story here. This is December 2010 cotton. We have a limit to buy at 73.99. Our stop, if we are filled, is 73.59. Once again, very low risk. We're looking to buy December cotton here at 73.99. Sell stop if we are filled at 73.59. You can see volatility peaked up here on the 7th of July, started to turn around here, ladies and gentlemen. So we are looking to buy 73.99 December cotton. If we are filled, a stop of 73.59. Our initial target comes into play. We're going to take off 50% of our position. All right, we're going to use 77.73, ladies and gentlemen. That's the story. 77.73. That comes right up here, as you can see, as indicated by this arrow. 77.73, ladies and gentlemen. So we're looking to buy 73.99 with the stop at 73.59. A target of 77.73. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So until tomorrow night, we will be here for you via email. Anything you need, James at WeissmanSignals.com. If you're interested in receiving all signals, once again, please don't hesitate. Shoot me an email, James at WeissmanSignals.com. We'll be here for you around the same time tomorrow evening. We appreciate you listening to us. Again, James at WeissmanSignals.com. You have a great one. Thank you much for joining us here. We'll see you guys tomorrow evening on the 9th of